morning, guys. How are you? We're on our way to the store. We're wearing our new shirts for the first time. They're nice and summery, really airflowy, huh, babe? You like them? Yes. Me too. They make my eyes look pretty. Hi, guys. Okay, we're at the store and I'm going through the giveaways. And this is the summer one. It's the floating cooler, sunscreen, mosquito repellent, and then a mat with a built-in pillow. And then a light, mosquito repellent, little things to go on the end of the fishing pole, a micro fishing pole, and a bait kit. I had to redo the video earlier because I called it the stupid tool kit. So, that's what the giveaways are. This is the fishing one, and that's the summer one. Hi guys, how are you? Today we're at the store. We're making a boat for the so that we could make a sign for the store. Like that boat.
A boat what?
A boat what? I took pictures of the giveaway stuff. I'll put those right here. I've had a few customers. We're probably going to go back up to Kansas tonight. I don't know. Depends. I'm not really in the vlogging mood today, but we'll see. We're going to go put it on the board right now, I guess. That'll be good. Put it down a little bit because Mapes goes right here. And the RV park. I think that'll be just fine. And then the name and stuff right there. That's big enough. I think that's perfect. No? I think it is, but...
From here up, maybe we just need to make a stencil for it. Or a stencil for it.
He's doing the Mapes now. The Mapes. What?
You just stuck 3 foot of this stuff off the back.
Yeah. Okay, guys, now we made the Mapes. See, I think that needs to be bigger.
Yeah, and if that's going to be bigger, the rest of it has to be bigger because this is a 4 foot by 8 foot freaking sign.
I don't... Put that in the middle. Like, no. Right there. Okay. No. I really think that would be... And then the boat right there. About right here.
Yeah, about that big.
That's about how big it is.
It's not, it's about this big. That's what sucks.
Well, it's gonna have to work for now. Okay guys, we're gonna tape it all up and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna need your guys' help. Hold the camera while I hold the things.
You just hold that.
Yeah. Okay guys, Bill did some more stuff to the boat to make it bigger, I think. I don't know. It's a process to use that Cricut. Okay, so that black thing is the black part right here, the cell. Yeah, about right there. That transfer paper kind of matches the wood.
Yeah. That shit fucking sticks onto the damn painted surface really good. Oh fuck, I need the boat part.
Oh, yeah. That's the water he's doing right now, but he needs to get this part right here. Yep, about right there. Cool. Now that's a lot bigger, like you wanted.
Yeah. And the name will probably go over.
Yeah. Cool. I like that. Good job, babe. We're having the one that has OCD do it. It's where he has to have every little nick and cranny. Quit touching my booty. Nick and cranny fixed. I'm ready to go home. We were gonna drive to Kansas tonight, but screw that. I'm tired. I'm gonna go home and eat and go to bed. We could go up there early in the morning. Hi guys, we just got home. Brandon said that the dogs have been scratching at my carpet or something, so let's go see what. Oh, you guys see? They're pulling up my carpet. What the hell? That's bad. Who's doing it? Which one of you? Which one of you? Who was it? The one that went under the couch. Rolly Cannoli? Rolly, you better come give Grammy kisses right now. Lolo, come give Grammy kisses. Oh, I'm sorry. Come give Grammy kisses, Rolly Panoli. It's a Rolly Panoli. Come give Grammy kisses. Come here, Jimmy. Come here, my handsome. Come here, my handsome. Kiss me. Don't kiss me. Kiss me. Come. Kiss me first. No, kiss me first. Kiss me first. Come kiss me. Kiss me. Hi, Princess. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you for the kisses, my love. Thank you for the kisses, my love. You skinny minnie. Get up here. Haha, you thought. Whoa, you two both crazies. Freaking crazies. I'm gonna go sit down and relax for a minute, and then I'm gonna eat me a chicken snack wrap thing. What he's doing? Why is he sleeping with a Wazy? Why are you sleeping with a Wazy? Hi, Princess. And then my other princess. Hi, Princess. Oi, baby. Oh. Mackenzie set just a pile of food in the floor, and they don't know how to eat like that.
Oh.
So they didn't eat supper. Hi guys, we came to the Golden Corral to eat. We came up to Garden to see Grandma. I'm with my stupid twin. You have a big nose. Oh, flash on. And then my other dog turds. And then my son's over there. And then my hubby turd. Okay guys, we're just going to visit Grandma now. Devin, Mackenzie, and Brandon just got here. Christina and Caitlin have been here since about 11:30. We all got here at the same time. And she was just sleeping. So, then we let Grandpa eat. And we came to eat. I ate 2 steaks at the Golden Corral. They were pretty good. And now we're gonna go see her. And I want to go to the casino, but I don't want to go to the casino. I want to go because I want to win money, maybe. And I don't want to go because I don't want to lose money. So, but, okay. Talk to you guys later. My daughter has problems hitting curbs. She don't know how to drive. I don't know who gave. Look at this. And I told her, you have problems hitting curbs, and I'll hit some more. Those curbs just jumped out in front of you. She's putting a light. She has a tail or a light out. Did you check her tail lights too? Is your car still on? Push on your brakes so I can check your... Okay. Blinkers.
She didn't have to turn it on.
Okay, other one. Okay. You didn't have to turn your car completely on to do that, but...
I would prefer not to drain my battery because it's expensive to replace.
This nursing home is very pretty. I love it. Hi guys, tonight is the white cheese enchiladas. White cheese sauce enchiladas. Look at all the sauce in that enchilada right there. Right there, yum. Yum. I'll show you guys when we get them out. It just came out the oven. Look at all that crispiness. Yum. I'm making you guys hungry. Enchiladas, Mackenzie.
Should I get half just in case it's disgusting?
Okay, whatever.
Does it smell disgusting? Smells spicy.
You want a spoon?
Not that big of a spoon. Just get a regular spoon.
Here, stupid. Bruh. That's your sauce. That goes on your sauce.
I don't know if sauce goes on sauce.
It must be good. It's good? She shook her head, so... She don't ever tell me my food's good, so when she tells me my food's good, it means it's really freaking good! Hi guys, I haven't vlogged in a couple days. We're going back up to Kansas. Bill's mommy left yesterday. So, we gotta go do all the funeral planning and not fun stuff. And it's freaking windy outside. We already got blackouted like twice. Is that what it's called? Dust outed. Bye-bye roof. It just must be there because the roof or a pole. Damn. Kansas is trying to keep us here. Say, please, we love you guys so much. Please don't leave. Wants us to go to the freaking casino all the time. Jeez. Jeez. Man. Our fucking window just got broke again with a big ass stick. This is scary like a tornado. Scary. I'm about to shit my pants. That's freaking scary. Poor cop having to stop traffic. He's wanting you to get over.
Oh, fuck.
It's completely blocked. Oh, we could get around that. There's a whole side. It's a good thumbnail picture.
It's had dementia and it just kind of started progressing real bad. Oh, there's another semi on the side of the road.
Hope he's okay.
Yep.
What mile marker?
Okay. Oh, no, that's fine. Thank you. Appreciate it. For a while, it's got tape on it.
I have a bunch of dirt in my eye because I had to go to the restroom and got pelted with freaking dirt. And now I'm digging in my eyeball, making it hurt worse. And I told Bill today would be the day to go get those planter buckets that blew out of everybody's yard, like the big ones. He's like, you can get out and get them. No, thank you. No, thank you. Hi, guys. I came home and started cleaning, so I haven't even picked up the camera. Now I'm cooking supper, chili, and yeah. I cleaned, I dusted. Yeppa. Guys, I just remembered that I was vlogging and I've already eaten. Yum. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Don't forget to smile and make someone else smile. Bye.